here, nigga. Stop here, nigga. Yeah. Back when I was young, I had dreams of getting richer. Then my homie Breeze set me down, schooled me to the picture. I was with some wild niggas, put me on the game, told me if you tryna make your moves, you gotta know your lane. Homie, all you got your name, and your words will never break it. For this life you pay a price, you get a chance, you gotta take it. Cause most niggas never make it, they stranded where I'm from. Ain't no conversation, all they understand is get a gun. I was riding in my Bonneville, hoping I could make it out, selling peas and smoking weed, avoiding police right up the street. Way back in the day before I had all of this paper, before I had all of these diamonds, before I had all of these haters. I remember when I seen it and to me it was stunting. I remember when I bought it, I ain't need it or nothing. Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Everywhere we go, they saying how much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money for the ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hate it. Rolling up and celebrate, now let's get medicated. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded.
Roll that weed up and smoke it. Take your bitch home and poke it. Juicy be getting so faded. Thank God I got a chauffeur on that good Cali bud, pulling whole bad as fuck. Just like a youngin', my nigga Juicy do all them drugs. Niggas smoking that Babbage weed, I be on that light green. Pop Molly in the after hours, a member of the No Sleep team.
What we got here is I volunteered my body, as wrecked as it already may be. The lady on this jumping, Brad Yeager from Marion, Wisconsin here. He's gonna jump over me. I'm gonna try and get some good footage here. What's the reaction for the crowd? That's good. He made it alive. That was awesome. That's enough of that. I'm scared now.
This is what we like to call what happens in your yard when you're gone. Yo, get back!
Oh, at least my jacket's warm. Black one maybe.
Yeah, it's pretty good, eh?
So what we're gonna do,
You know, just take this end side.
and we're gonna put it on this end, and we're gonna put on the sled through this sled.
Basically, to take this end, put it on the snowmobile, and the other end on sled.
Totally rad.